In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a file in Replit using the file editor. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or a seasoned programmer new to Replit, these simple steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to your file. Once you're in your Replit project, you'll want to look over at the left sidebar. This is where all your project files are conveniently listed. Take a moment to visually scan the files displayed there and locate the one you want to edit. It should be easy to spot, as all your files are well organized in this sidebar, making navigation straightforward. Once you have found your desired file, the next step is to open it. Now, you might be wondering how to do this. Simplicity is key on Replit. All you need to do is click on the file name, and voila, your file will open in the main editor pane. This area is your workspace, where all the editing magic happens. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, setting the stage for you to make any necessary changes. With your file open, it's time to edit it. Feel free to make your alterations directly in this editor. Whether you're fixing a typo, updating some code, or rewriting an entire section, you have full control. The editor offers a clean interface for you to focus solely on your edits without distractions. Take your time to craft and revise until your file reflects exactly what you need it to. Now onto a crucial part that makes Replit particularly convenient: saving your changes. You might be used to needing to manually hit a save button, but the great news is, on Replit, you don't have to worry about that at all. This platform automatically saves your changes as you type. It's a real time saver and ensures that none of your hard work gets lost. Rest assured that every character you type is being recorded in real time. By the end of this process, you should have your file edited exactly as you want it, with all changes safely stored without lifting a finger to do so. This can make your workflow more efficient and give you peace of mind, knowing that everything is being taken care of behind the scenes. And that's all there is to it. With just a few straightforward steps, you can easily navigate, open, edit, and save your files on Replit. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself editing with speed and confidence. Thanks for joining me today, and happy coding!